Get ready to dive into today's hottest headlines in tech and finance, where we unpack the trends shaping our digital future and investment landscape. Let's jump right in. The integration of AI in traditional manufacturing sectors is a pivotal advancement as it enhances operational efficiency through real-time shipment tracking and demand forecasting. This capability not only streamlines inventory management, but also mitigates the risks associated with supply chain disruptions. As manufacturers increasingly adopt these technologies, the potential for reduced costs and improved responsiveness to market changes positions AI as a crucial driver of competitiveness in the industry. The integration of predictive maintenance and dynamic workflow adjustments into traditional industries signifies a transformative shift towards operational efficiency and agility. By addressing bottlenecks and optimizing resource use, manufacturers can significantly enhance their competitive edge, responding more swiftly to market demands. This trend not only underscores the value of technology in manufacturing, but also highlights the increasing necessity for businesses to adapt in a rapidly evolving economic landscape. The integration of AI in logistics is proving to be a game changer, with companies experiencing significant cost reductions and enhanced risk management. As the AI supply chain market is poised to surpass $41 billion by 2030, the growing adoption among supply chain organizations underscores a critical shift towards more efficient and resilient operations. This trend not only reflects the transformative potential of AI, but also highlights its importance in navigating the complexities of modern supply chains. The integration of AI into traditional industries is proving to be transformative, particularly in logistics and inventory management. By optimizing routing and enhancing demand forecasting, companies are not only reducing costs, such as cutting inventory levels by 35%, but also significantly improving service levels and customer satisfaction. This trend underscores the growing importance of AI in maintaining competitive advantage in an increasingly complex supply chain landscape. The integration of AI in traditional manufacturing processes is a game changer, as it allows companies to anticipate equipment failures and significantly minimize unplanned downtime. This predictive capability not only enhances operational efficiency, but also improves overall production scheduling, ultimately leading to increased profitability. As industries continue to embrace AI, the potential for enhanced productivity and cost savings will reshape competitive dynamics in the market. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed the insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more daily updates on tech and finance. See you next time.